Welcome to your Realishot 3D Studio Quick Start. To give you some inspiration, have a look at what you can create. In the next few minutes, we'll cover the basics to get you up and running. To create a new project, you can simply click the 3D Studio button right from the homepage. Alternatively, if you're already inside a project space, find the Create Studio Project button here in the upper right corner. Once your project is open, click the plus icon in the top left corner to upload your file. Your model will process for a moment and then appear in the viewer. Now, click on any part of your model. This will bring up the material panel on the right. You'll find all the key properties here, including color, roughness, and metallic. Each parameter has a texture icon next to it. Clicking on this will allow you to upload your own custom texture map. The material picker lets you quickly reuse materials across your model. First, activate the tool, then, simply click on the model that has the material you want to sample. For even faster results, check out the material library. It gives you a huge collection of pre-made materials that you can apply with a single click, saving you the time of adjusting everything manually. Next up, let's set up our scene. Click on your project's title. This opens the environment panel on the right. You can either use a ready-made HDR from our environment library or upload your own. Down here, you can adjust the HDR's intensity, rotation, and other settings. You can also change the scene's background to a solid color or even your own image. If your environment map isn't quite providing the lighting you need, you can add some local lights to brighten up specific areas. Then, you can fine-tune the look by adjusting its intensity and size. The decal feature is perfect for quickly adding details like logos or labels. Simply place a decal, upload your image texture, and then hold the gray spot handle to drag and position it on the surface. For products with different color or material options, you can set up multiple materials on the material panel. Then, you can connect these variants to UI interactions, allowing you to seamlessly switch between different versions in real time. After setting up your materials and lighting, it's a good idea to set up multiple camera views. This lets you quickly jump between different angles to check your work, which is super helpful. Realishot's animation system is based on keyframes. It's straightforward. Move the playhead to a point in the timeline, then transform your object on the canvas. This automatically records a keyframe. By repeating this process with different objects on the timeline, you can build up sophisticated animations. You can even animate material parameters. Any change you make to a property, like opacity or UV offset, can be keyframed to create dynamic material effects. Hotspots are interactive markers that stick to your 3D models or scene. They're perfect for adding detailed information, starting animations, or revealing options on click. Floating UI elements include buttons, images, text, and other UI components. You can freely mix and match these elements and tweak their settings to achieve the exact look and feel you want. Then, you can use these UI components to present information or, as we'll see next, to trigger interactions. Interactions define the logic and behavior between objects, UI, hotspots, animation, and other project components. You create them by combining a trigger, like a button click, with an action, here is playing an animation. This is where you can bring your scene to life by combining different actions, such as switching cameras, changing materials, or playing animations. After setting up your interactions, jump into preview mode to test everything and make sure it all works as expected. And once you're all done, you can click the Publish button to generate a web link for your project. Just remember to resync your project if you make any updates, so the published link reflects your latest changes. You're now ready to explore Realishot 3D Studio. Stay tuned and see you next time.